Wow, good tapping.
I know I don't know where I read, I get some weekly, their month and day of the week, how old they are. And it says in a few months you should be able to jump up and down on both feet. But she does that now.
That's awesome.
I know. Ooh, you guys are doing like, kind of confusing.
You gonna run with them, so? Yay! Woohoo!
Whee!
Like I'm running right.
I'm out of here.
Whoa!
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 Come on, Sophia, gonna run!
She's long distance.
She's probably smarter. Because I think someone's gonna crash at some point.
Mira, Sofía, baila con Amalie. Baila. Baila. Oh, look at you go.
Wow! There she goes.
Would you like the tour?
Baila, Amalie. Yes. Wow.
Whoa! Clap.
Megan and Judith.